So we had to check with our doctor, Dr. Usha, and we said we want to see the place where we're going to have the baby. So we walked in first, and it was Sean who showed us the place around, and we were kind of happy. So we were in the right private space, so they can understand our needs and hygiene. So we were kind of really concerned. To say in simple word, they just made our delivery easy, and we did not have to, be stressed out. So they were making me, be comfortable when the baby is around. You can go next to her. And then there are sisters who are really good, the nurses, in fact. Like Sura, she was top notch. If you look at other commercial hospitals, entry, exit, it's too far away. But here, it's limited crowd. They know whom to handle. And the smell, the hospital smell. We don't have it here. And especially it feels fresh every time we're in. A lot of natural light. Oh, the color combinations are great. Except for the bed, everything looks normal. Like sometimes it can be converted to a studio also.